As the country starts a 42-day lockdown to prevent the coronavirus from spreading, Dr. Kizza Besigye said the authorities have not done enough.
The situation went out of control mainly because of the absence of a plan to manage the pandemic, a plan to manage the spread, the transmission of the disease, a plan to manage the monitoring of how it was spreading, and the little plans, flimsy plans that were thrown about casually, generally, were not implemented. And so we lost the fight against COVID very early.
The doctor believes that it's not right to use security forces to enforce the measures, and people should be encouraged to practice personal responsibility to combat COVID-19 and stay safe.
Pandemic requires the goodwill, the understanding and cooperation of the population. When you apply terror, you lose what is called social capital. People to believe in you and to do what you want them to do. You lose it.
Besigye says that in his speech, the president did not address the matter of people's livelihoods during the lockdown.
When you take away my ability to look after myself, you shift the responsibility to yourself. And you could see there is total casualness about how people live. No care at all. No. I heard them saying, I think the Prime Minister and these people will now start thinking about how to deal with vulnerable people. People eat on a daily basis. So while they are thinking, what should people do?
He has offered advice on how people can keep themselves safe from the disease.
In the immediate instance, each one must try whatever is within their power to protect themselves from getting the virus, and also to be able to fight the virus successfully if they get it at an individual level.
Aaron Mukama, NTV Weekend Edition.